These 9 animals require specific numbers to understand. The numbers don't help. Peregrine falcons reach 389 km per hour in a stoop, the fastest confirmed speed of any animal under its own power. The dive is initiated from altitude. The falcon folds its wings asymmetrically to steer while maintaining the streamlined shape that prevents structural failure at terminal velocity. Nasal baffles redirect high-pressure airflow away from the nostrils. Nictitating membranes protect the eyes. High-speed analysis shows the falcon adjusting trajectory multiple times per second in the final approach, tracking prey movement through the full length of the stoop. The kill is delivered by impact, not grip strength. Bowhead whales live past 200 years. The evidence is not indirect. Stone harpoon points have been recovered lodged in the blubber of living animals, artifacts predating the industrial shift to metal harpoons in the 1880s. Amino acid racemization dating of eye lens tissue, which forms at birth and accumulates no new material, has returned estimates exceeding 200 years for specific individuals. Bowheads can break through sea ice 60 centimeters thick by ramming it from below with their reinforced skulls. No 2 individuals have been found to share identical song patterns in a given season, and their songs change substantially from year to year. Dragonflies have the highest confirmed hunting success rate of any animal studied in controlled conditions. Approximately 95% of pursuits end with a kill. Their 4 wings operate independently, enabling flight in any direction including sideways and backwards with instantaneous direction change. Compound eyes provide near 360-degree vision with essentially no blind spot. Neurological studies have confirmed that dragonflies do not track where prey is but compute where it will be, a predictive intercept model. The brain allocates roughly 80% of its volume to visual processing. Their aerial interception accuracy does not degrade at high relative speeds between predator and prey. Sperm whales dive routinely to 1,000 meters and have been confirmed to at least 2,250 meters. A single dive can last 90 minutes without surfacing. They locate prey using clicks produced by the spermaceti organ in the head that reach 236 decibels, the loudest biological sound ever measured. At close range, the pressure from a single click is calculated to be sufficient to rupture human eardrums and cause internal organ damage. During descent, sperm whales are silent, clicking begins only at hunting depth. Juvenile sperm whales raised in captivity produce clicks in the frequency range of the regional population they were captured from, distinct from other populations, suggesting a learned acoustic dialect. Archerfish spit jets of water to knock insects off branches above the water surface, at distances of up to 3 meters, with high accuracy. The complication: the fish is looking up through a water-air interface, which bends light according to Snell's law and displaces the apparent position of everything above. The archerfish corrects for this refraction in real time. It also accounts for the curved trajectory of the water jet under gravity. Wild individuals demonstrate the same targeting accuracy immediately upon capture, with no learning period, suggesting the optical compensation is innate or acquired before the first successful shot. The jet is produced by closing the gill covers and forming a tube with tongue and palate. Naked mole rats are functionally immune to acid-induced pain. The ion channel responsible for transmitting acid pain signals in every other mammal operates in reverse in this species. Acid closes the channel rather than opens it. Their tissue also produces a neuropeptide that blocks the pain signal before it propagates. No cancer has ever been confirmed in a wild or captive naked mole rat. Their cells undergo contact inhibition, ceasing division when they physically touch neighboring cells, at a threshold significantly more sensitive than any other mammal studied. They live in colonies of up to 300 individuals with a single breeding queen, reproductive males, and non-reproductive workers, the only known eusocial mammal. Queens live past 30 years, most rodents of their body mass live 2 to 3. Hagfish, when threatened, release slime from glands running along their body. A single hagfish can fill a 20-liter bucket with slime in under a minute. The slime consists of protein threads up to 15 centimeters long, released dry, and expanding on contact with water to form a hydrogel. The threads are stronger per unit mass than nylon. When a predatory fish closes its mouth around a hagfish, the slime expands inside the mouth and gills, suffocating the predator within seconds. Hagfish escape by tying themselves into a knot and sliding it along their body, a maneuver used also to tear flesh from carcasses. They have no jaw, no stomach, and no vertebral column, and can absorb dissolved nutrients directly through their skin. They are the only known animal with a skull but no vertebrae. Platypuses have 10 sex chromosomes. Males carry 5X and 5Y chromosomes in a chain, females carry 10X. The standard vertebrate system is 2. Platypus males carry venomous spurs on their hind legs. The venom causes immediate pain in humans that does not respond to morphine and can persist for months. Platypuses have no stomach, the esophagus connects directly to the intestine. Their bill contains approximately 40,000 electroreceptors that detect electrical fields generated by muscle movement in prey buried in riverbed sediment. They forage with their eyes, ears, and nostrils closed, navigating entirely by electroreception. They are mammals that lay eggs. Dung beetles navigate by the Milky Way. Experiments conducted in a South African planetarium established that beetles rolled dung in straight lines under the full night sky, became disoriented under overcast conditions, and reoriented correctly under a dome showing only the galactic band with no individual stars visible. Individual stars are too closely spaced in angular separation for the beetle's optical resolution. The navigational reference is the brightness gradient of the galaxy itself, the contrast between the dense core and the darker outer band, not any point source. Dung beetles are the only non-human animals confirmed to use a galaxy, rather than the sun, moon, or individual stars, for orientation. 9 animals that require measurement to understand and do not become less strange once measured. Tomorrow's fact is the one most people can't believe is real. This channel posts a new animal fact video every day. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.